Have you ever wondered why some people can sell almost anything with just a few words, while others keep trying and trying, but nobody buys from them? Well, it's not about luck, talent, or even how great your product is. In this video, I'll show you 3 powerful psychological principles that can make your customers buy, almost without thinking. These aren't theories. They are real, proven strategies used by top sellers and brands around the world. Ready to learn them? Let's get started. Law number 1. The contrast effect. What it is. Our brain doesn't judge things by themselves, it compares. Every decision we make is based on contrast. For example, if I show you a $500 watch and then a $200 one, the $200 one suddenly feels like a great deal. But if I just showed you the $200 one alone, you might say, "That's expensive." How to use this in selling? Smart marketers and salespeople use this trick all the time. One of the most common ways is the 3-option offer. Imagine this. Basic plan, $49 Pro plan, $99 Premium plan, $159. Most people will choose the middle option because it feels like a balance between price and value. That's contrast in action. Law 2. First impression selling. You only get one shot to make a strong first impression. And in sales, that first impression happens in the first 7 seconds. That's right. Your customer's brain decides in just a few seconds whether to keep listening or to scroll away, close the tab, or ignore your pitch. So, what happens in those first 7 seconds can literally decide whether you make a sale or lose it. Now the question is, how do you take control of those golden seconds? You start with emotion, not facts, not features. Emotion. Let me give you a practical example. If you begin with something like, "Are you tired of spending money on ads but still getting 0 sales?" Boom, now you've got their attention because you touched a real pain they feel. This works in your product headline, your ad copy, the first sentence of your sales page, your Instagram post caption, or even how you start your video. Start with a strong question, a surprising fact, or a bold statement that your ideal customer immediately connects with. Then, once you have their full attention, that's when you deliver the information. Law 3. Value over price. Here's the truth. People don't say no to buying because it's expensive. They say no because they don't feel it's worth it. The real reason customers walk away is not the price. It's because they can't see the value behind that price. So how do you fix that? Simple. Don't sell features. Sell outcomes. Sell transformation. Let me explain. Instead of saying, "I design websites using WordPress," say, "I design websites that keep making sales for you while you sleep." Boom. Now that sounds like something worth paying for. Here's another example. Don't say, "45-minute coaching call." Say, 45 minutes that will show you how to triple your sales this month. Can you see the difference? Let us quickly review. 1. Use the contrast effect. Make your offer stand out. 2. Master the first 7 seconds to grab attention fast. 3. Focus on value, not price. Sell results, not features. If these techniques helped you, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with someone who's serious about selling. And tell me in the comments, which one of these laws are you going to try in your next sales pitch? Let me know so I can guide you even more. See you in the next one.